Go kill him.
Look up.
Shoot him. Turn around, right there. Shoot him. Get him, Dad. Get him. Turn around, turn around. They're behind you. All right, you killed him. There you go, Daddy. You're good at this game, huh? Huh? Yeah? You killed everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you playing? Modern Warfare 3?
Yeah.
Look, here comes a bad guy. You better kill him. Yeah, they're right there. You see the red? The little box? They're about to come. Here they come. Turn around. Kill him, kill him, kill him. You got him. Get him, you're killing him. Get him. Shoot him, Dad, before you die right there. Pause it. Pause it before you die so I can talk to you. How old are you? Say 3?
3.
You're good, huh? Who shows you? Your brother? Rick Lorenzo shows him. Rick, show him, son. Go shoot him. Go kill him, Lorenzo.